This video is about oil price change with reference to global political and economic events since 1950 to 2023. The influence of only significant events will be shown on the diagram. Oil prices were relatively stable until the 1970s amid the US oil companies' continued dominance of global crude markets and due to plentiful US oil reserves. Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries was founded in 1960 in relation for US support of Israel in the Yom Kippur War of 1973. Oil-producing Arab nations cut off crude oil exports to the US. As a result, the price of crude oil soared from about $20 to $61 per barrel in 1974. In 1979, Iranian Revolution occurred and a sharp drop in Iranian oil production as a result of the political unrest sent crude oil prices even higher than during the Arab oil embargo. Oil jumped from about 56 per barrel to over 113. In 1981, President Ronald Reagan deregulates US oil industry, and the price of crude oil fell from almost 113 to about $26 per barrel by the middle of 1986. In 1990, Iraq invaded Kuwait, sending the price of oil soaring from $34 to nearly $77 per barrel. After a US-led military coalition succeeded in removing Saddam Hussein's Iraqi forces from Kuwait in early 1991, the oil price fell to about $37 per barrel. In 1999, OPEC cuts oil production targets by over 4 million barrels a day. Oil jumped from $28 to $43 per barrel. Since 2000 to 2008, many events occurred like September 11 terrorist attack in New York, US invasion to Iraq in 2003, hurricanes in Gulf of Mexico in 2005 pushed the oil price to 117. In 2008, global crisis and series of events in Venezuela, Nigeria, Mexico, and etc. that cut global production sharply led to a significant spike in oil prices. Oil sank to the low 50s by January 2009 before rebounding to nearly 95 per barrel by year-end as the global economy recovered. The conflict in Libya was the cause of oil price increase in 2011. Due to the reduction of crude oil exports from Libya, so the oil prices reached over $130. In 2012, OPEC made a decision to increase oil production by additional 2 million barrels per day, and US also increased oil production lately. These events resulted in oil price decrease down to $43 per barrel in 2016, with some corrections subsequently. In 2019 and 2020, global pandemic reduced oil demand and the price went down less than $40 per barrel. In the beginning of 2023, the oil price is nearly $90 per barrel. The oil price really depends on reaction to the global news, like OPEC Plus oil production reductions, launching the information about US oil reserves, Ukraine conflict, and etc. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe if it was interesting for you.